Okay, thank you.
Okay. Can I see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay, where is Power BI? This Power BI. All right. So this is let me bring in my slicer. Let me go to page one. Okay, so this is what Miss Alice was talking about. So let me bring in my slicer. This is our slicer. Click on it. So I want to filter it based on calendar year. So I'm going to bring in the year to the field. So I have that here. So let me expand this a little bit. All right. So if you click on 2018, right? So this is 2018. So this is 2018. So no sales because this YOY meaning that there is no sales for you to compare 2017 with. There's no sales for it to compare 2017. That's why it's telling us no sales. So if we check here, previous year showing us zero. This dash means zero. So meaning that there's no sales for 2017. This is previous year. There's no sales for 2017. But the sales for 2018, which is current year, CY, which is current year, which is the current year. Hope you understand what I mean.
Okay, Mr. Bright.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want you to do for me, for clarity, this current year, what does it represent? Is it 2020?
This current year represent the year that I this represent 2018. I just clicked on 2018, represent 2018. This CY here.
20,
Represent
2020, right?
no represent 2018. 2018.
Okay, current year represent 2018.
Yes. So if I
You
click
know, we
on
have 3 years.
The current year is basically any year you click on. So we have
yes,
3 years data set there. So now you're trying to see what happened in 2018, right? So if you click on your slicer, you click 2018, that's the current year you are currently wanting to get information about. So if you click on 2019, that's your current year. If you click on 2020, that's the current year you are trying to get information about. I don't know if you understand.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Mr. Bright, what she's trying to say is that we can't say 2020 is the current year. We can't say, it's just that the one you are clicking on is the current year,
yes, yes,
whichever
yes,
year you are clicking on.
yes,
Okay, we didn't work it based on, okay, let's say 2020 is the current year. That's that it is. So it is whatever you click on the slides that you want, that's what comes up as current year.
yes. Whatever you click on the slider is what comes up as current year.
But this 2018 we have here in this slide, when you click on it, it's
Like
showing
this.
no cells.
Because
That's where I'm having problem.
okay. Now, what this YOY means here that is year over year. They are comparing the previous year and the current year, and to know if the company
Okay.
made profit or not. It's like comparing 2023 and 2024. Okay, let's assume a woman owns a shop, right? In 2023, the
Yeah.
woman sold something of 300,000 in 2023. So in 2024, she sold total sales was 305,000, right? So that
Yeah.
if you click on 2025, for example, now really click on 2025, for example, now it's going to compare 2023 sales and 2024 sales. Or if you click on 2024,
Okay.
it's going to compare 2023 sales and 2024 sales. So that's what this YOY means. It's comparing last year's sales and the current year's sales, and then it's going to determine the answer is going to be if you make profit or not. So it's going to compare for you to know if you make any profit in your sales or not. So that's the reason for the YOY. That is year over year.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Hope you
I
understand.
got it now. Yes,
Okay.
I understand now.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Okay.
So any other question?
For now, that is why I said, this is our last class. Can't we just have on Monday just to say final bye bye? So
All
that
right.
when we watch that Wednesday and Friday, whatever question we have, Friday will just be for question and answering. I'll be
Oh,
sorry, Monday rather.
oh, okay. That is
Because most
nice.
of the time I do have question when I'm going back to watch the video. So when you are teaching, it's like very strange. I will just be following you. They may not, but when I'm going back, that time I'm steady, nothing is rushing me. I'm forwarding, coming back, and all of that. So that's when I have question. Maybe Monday, please. Let's just have it fine now. Monday, answer question and answer. So that
Okay.
by the time we watch today on Wednesday, whatever answer question we have, sure from the first class, we'll be able to, pour it on Monday. Thank
Oh,
you, please.
okay. All right. So there will be a class on Monday for Q&A, question and answer session
Yes, question
on
and
Monday.
answer.
Okay. All right.
Mm.
Okay. That's a nice
Thank
idea.
you. God bless you, sir.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
So there will be a class on Monday, same time, 9 o'clock.
Yes. Thank you very much.
All right. So let me start with our dashboard. So in our previous class, we built our chart. We did a table to compare each product sales, and also built a table to compare location sales. So this table shows that we are trying to compare one location and another to know which location is making more sales, which location is making less sales. So the aim of this comparison analysis for the company to know which location are we going to shut down due to lack of sales, or which product are we going to stop manufacturing due to lack of sales. So that is the main reason for this table comparison, yeah. And our column chart and our chart to know how did our revenue trend all over the years. So this is the chart to show that January, February, and so on. And then this pie chart here let us to know which sales method, which sales method do customers prefer? Is it direct or online? So you can see here people prefer direct. So I don't know why they prefer direct instead of online. So you see here people prefer direct buying rather than online buying. We're going to go to page 1 and build our dashboard. We click on page 1. So we're going to quickly do some formatting here. We're going to reduce the size. So bring it somewhere here. Somewhere here. That here. So let's quickly align it. So we're going to select all our card, select this, select this, select this. So you click on the format, click on format, you click on align, click on this drop down to align it, click on it. We say align top. We say align center. Sorry. Let me undo that. So you say align top, align middle, bottom. Then I want to distribute the horizontally so that all the space in between code can be the same. So distribute horizontally. We now distribute vertically. So we have that there. So we're going to take our slicer up. So we're going to change this in name and give it like sales comparison dashboard. Control Z. I'm going to give a name like sales comparison dashboard. So we have that the sales comparison dashboard. So now we are going to bring in our chart from page 2. So you go to page 2. So let's first of all move the table. So you select the first table, select the second table. So hit on Control C to copy it. We now go to page 1. Hit on Control V to paste that. So you bring that down. So let's quickly copy this. So you click on it, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. So you want to give a title to this table. So we drag that down here. We give it a name, product comparison. So give it a name, product comparison. Are you all following me?
Yes, sir.
So we also give title to this product, to the next table, which is sales. So which is location. So we copy it, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. We're going to quickly give this location. take that up a little. So we are going to bring in the next chart. This is our column chart. So we're going to bring in our pie chart now. I'm going to clear this off. So we have that. So this shape is an optional something. You can keep it, you can as well take it off. So let's take that off. So yeah, so when you are building your dashboard, you build it like this from left to right in a Z shape. So let me explain what I mean. So let me bring in a shape. There's no shape to illustrate that. So you build your dashboard from left to right like this. You build it this way, and this way. So in form of a Z, like in form of a Z. So we read from left to right. So we read from English like US, UK, and the rest. We read from left to right, not from right to left. So the dashboard must be this way, from here down, down here, and this other way. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes.
Okay. So any question before we continue? Any questions so far? So we are going to give our column chart a title. We are going to Control C, Control V. Oh, so let's adjust this a little bit. So I'm going to give it a title, Sales Medium. So let me check to see what that column was all about. Okay, sales medium. Let me just sales medium. So we're going to give this a name. Let's say best performing month of the year. So click this. We Control C, Control V. So give it a name best performing month of the year. So let's quickly do some adjustment. Let's take this up. So let's click on it again. So let's highlight the four card. So let's go to format. So we want to group in such a way that once we drag one up, we can drag the four of it together instead of dragging one after the other. So we want to group the four together. So you go to the format tab. So you click on the drop down group. So you click on group. You can as well take it up the four together. And as well take the four together up. So let's take this up. So let me take this up again. All right, so everything is set. So let's save our work. Control S. Sorry, so you click on it on this icon to save. So let's quickly have a look of how our dashboard will look like. You want to save like a PDF. So you click on view, page view, fit to width. So after you've done that, we go to the file tab. You click on the file tab. So we have so many buttons. They save as, they share, they get data, they import. We, yeah, so this publish here, this button means that you can publish your report to the internet. So if you have your Power BI email, if you have your work email, if you are working already, you have your work email, not Gmail or Yahoo Mail. So let's assume you're working with HP and your name is Sandra. So your email address should be something like sandra@hp.com. So you can use your work email to register, to log in so you can be able to publish your work to the internet. This is Power BI service. So Power BI service is where you publish your work, where the rest of your colleague can interact with your dashboard and so on and so forth. So this way you do that. A Power BI publish. So since we don't have that, we are going to go to export. So export to PDF. So let's generate our PDF report. So we have it here. So we have it. So we have our sales dashboard generated in a PDF format for us. So we have it here. So it's in 2 page because our dashboard was in 2 pages. So I'm going to close this. I'm not going to save it. I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to delete this second page because we don't need this page. So I'm going to click on this to delete the page. So we delete that off. So we go back again to the file tab. Let's quickly go back to the file tab, export, export to PDF. So we have that here. So this is your dashboard. Our dashboard is ready. So any question? So let's do a little bit some formatting. Let's try to do some formatting to this dashboard. So let's click on this. We go to format. We're going to ungroup that. So we come here, format your visuals. So we want to try to bring out this line. You don't want to see this line. So we want to try to see if we can take that off. So go to general, effect, turn off the background. Go to card, borders. So let's turn down the borders. We turn off our borders, background, turn off our background, borders, we turn off the borders, background, we turn off the background. We move to the next card, borders, turn that off, background, turn that off. So you can as well keep your background if you want. Click on this, turn this off, turn this off. So you go to our card, our slider settings. So layout. So you can pick how you want your sliders to be. Want it to be in a single column where you can have this being displayed this way. A single column, you can as well have it. Want to have it in a grid, can as well have that. So you can as well play along with it to format it to your preferred choice. So let's take this back up. So let's see if we can play along with it one more time. So let's see layout. Okay. General, background, turn it off. title. You don't need a title, so you can as well keep it. It's optional, so you can as well take it off. You can as well keep your title. You can as well take it off. So one thing with Power BI is that if you click anywhere in the chart, so let me show you this. So one thing with Power BI is that if you click any chart, it's going to interact. So it's not like Excel where you must click on the slicer. So in Power BI, anywhere you click on the chart, it's going to interact with other charts. So if you click on this, for example, if you click on this window, for example, so it's going to interact with other charts on your dashboard. So you can see it here. So that's one benefit of our Power BI. So everything is interactive. So you must not necessarily click on your slicer for it to be interactive. So any questions so far? Yeah, question.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Bright.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, I don't know, but my question is not actually on this Power BI. I don't know if I should go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. Now, my first question is like if you have a data or for example, I had a data that I wanted to work on. So and I tried to open the data is on read only. Yeah, and
Okay.
I read only, yes, and I know how to to remove it so that I be able to edit it or work on it. But I tried all the possible methods that I know. It wasn't still working. After it will still be showing that read only. So I don't know whether maybe there's any other way that that you can remove read only from a data set so that somebody can actually work on it.
Okay, that read only is either is it in a CS, is it an
A
Excel?
CSV,
Okay, okay,
CSV, yes, yes.
okay. I think you need to save it like an Excel.
Okay. Please, how
You,
do I do that?
okay. Did you log in with your system?
Yes, I'm logged in with my system.
Okay, so I will stop share. Okay, I'll come to you last. We'll handle that one last. So, any question for this before we proceed? Okay,
Again, sorry, another question.
okay.
I just want to ask on this percentage stuff. Is there anything like maybe anything that is maybe above 100%? We have 0 to 100%. Can maybe when you're working, you know can you do maybe you get 200%, 100 and something percent, even 1,000 something percent? I want to know if it's
Yeah,
possible because ChatGPT said is somehow yes.
it's possible for you to have 100%. Let's assume. Okay, let me apply this filter.
What of 800%,
I'm
nine
com
hundred percent?
I'm coming.
Okay.
So let me
All right.
this is year over year. So this year over year is comparing this sales and this sales. So now if you check
Okay.
previous year, this sales year they make 12 million plus, right, for previous year. So while the current year is sorry, they made 8 million plus for previous year, while the current year is 12 million plus. So let's assume for previous year they made, let's say, $500 for previous year. The current year they made this amount. So don't you think it will be above 44? It will be close to be more than 100%.
Okay. Okay.
So it's
Yeah.
possible for
Okay.
your YOY to be above 100%. It's very, very possible.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
So now, if the second one is another thing I would like to point out is you can as well change the color. You must not necessarily use red or black, red or green for your icon color. So you can as well pick any color of your choice. You can as well pick any color of your choice. You can as well see if the sale is less than that, should give you, let's say, yellow. So have you seen that? So the color changes. So you can pick any color of your choice. So it must not necessarily be red or green. But if you want to follow the traditional one we know, red for negative and green for positive, you can as well use that. All right, so since there is no question, we're going to save our workbook, our file, then go to file, go to export, export to PDF. So we have that here. So now for you to be able to share it with your stakeholder, so Power BI is totally different from Excel. So you can't save it like this. So for you to be able to save in such a way that you can send it through WhatsApp or through email, so you need to click on these tools. Sorry, you need to click on this menu, click on it. So click on Save As, Save As, click on this Save As. So you pick where you want to save your work. So let me save it to desktop. So I give it a name, data set, Nestle dashboard, Nestle dashboard. So we have that there. So I click on desktop. So you pick anywhere, you can pick anywhere to save your workbook, sorry, your report. So I click on it and click on save. So if I close this and close this and close this, I have it here. Can you also see my screen?
Yeah, yes.
So I have it here. So that's how to save your workbook. So that's how to save your report as a PDF format. Another thing, on your project, there are two tools that you can use, optional tools, either Excel or you can use Power BI. If you're using Power BI and you want to share your Power BI file with your teammates, so this is what we call Power BI file. This is what we call Power BI file. So if you want to share your Power BI file, you need to save it. So click on save, save as, then give it a name and pick any folder in your document to save it. So once that is done, you need to go to that folder and open it. So I'll stop sharing my screen while I quickly bring up that. Okay, so we have a file here. So this is what we call Power BI file. So once you save it, so you can save it in your desktop or anywhere. Once you save it, you can attach it as a document and send it to your teammate through WhatsApp or through email. So I prefer you send it through email because if you send it through WhatsApp, the person might not be able to access it because the person doesn't have Power BI in his phone. So I prefer or I recommend you send it through email. So that's how to show your Power BI file. So you need to save it. So you see this icon, this is a Power BI. So this is how it looks like. Save it and share it with your teammates. So any other question? Okay, so since there's not that, okay, I'll stop sharing my screen for question.